If you can't watch a full podcast, watch a clip instead. You'll be as entertained and as informed. That's my guarantee. That's why you gotta subscribe to those cast clips.
हमारा मुल्क बड़ा खुशकिस्मत रहा है that other than a very inefficient prime minister like VP Singh, he was not a common man. That fellow was a किसी छोटी सी स्टेट का या कोई गांव शांव का होगा उसका राजा था
अच्छा.
और वो अपने आप को राजा साहब कहलाता था. अबे तू कहाँ का राजा बन गया भाई? वो राजा साहब कहलाता था अपने आप को.
उसमें एरिस्टोक्रेटिक ट्रेट्स थी जो देश को
जिसकी-
गवर्न करने के लिए use
हाँ
करता था.
बस. सो ही वॉज द ओनली वन हु वॉज उसकी वजह से इन ऑर्डर टू रिमेन इन पावर उसने ये बंडल का प्रॉब्लम खड़ी कर दी.
हाँ.
Young people had to burn themselves in Delhi when he brought about this huge reservation for other backward castes and Doha and so forth. क्या गड़बड़ नहीं की उसने? क्या मुसीबतें नहीं छोड़ गया वो हिंदुस्तान के लिए? All because to remain in power himself.
एंड देन इन कॉन्ट्रास्ट यू गॉट वाजपेयी. जब आप उनसे मिले, उनके इंटरव्यूज करे आपने, तो उस वक्त भारत की सिचुएशन भी क्या हो रही थी? क्योंकि उस टाइम तो कांग्रेस बहुत समय तक पावर में थी.
हाँ जी.
कांग्रेस उस वक्त बहुत समय तक पावर में थी और वाजपेयी वगैरह इमर्ज कर रहे थे एज इट वुड
देखिए,
बिकम.
see, by that time, things had changed in the sense that certain amount of liberalization had come about. So things were changing fast. Businessmen were getting now freedom to do business. Everything was moving ahead. Gurgaon grew up very fast.
Now it's unrecognizable, practically
अच्छा,
unrecognizable.
अब Gurgaon grew up very fast. But what happened? I won't mention the names of the BJP guys. अरे तुम्हें ज़रूरत क्या थी 6 महीने पहले इलेक्शन करने की? They called for elections 6 months before it was due. Vajpayee was not in favor of that. और इन्होंने उसका रखा Shining India. It was a terrible slogan.
Oh, it was India Shining, I remember. Huh.
It was a terrible slogan because, okay, lot of guys from bicycle had moved on to scooters, but those guys on scooters had not moved on to cars as yet.
India was largely a lower middle class country.
So it was not shining for them. But what had happened is that a new lower middle class had risen during Vajpayee's time. And the middle class was also rising. That's why they lost election.